We introduce a student of UCSI. Definitely, she is Bangladeshi. So, you introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Ayesha and I'm a first semester student pursuing computer engineering and artificial intelligence.
All right. What is your experience from Bangladesh to here? Visa experience.
Honestly, I'm actually liking it here considering the diversity. So Bangladesh is a very diverse country, and coming here, meeting people from different countries, different religion, and they have their own cultures. It's very nice meeting and getting to know everyone.
Could you explain a little about the campus?
The campus is huge. When I first looked at the photos, I thought it was quite small, but then when I came here, and when I came here, I realized it was huge. There are like 8 or 9 buildings, and each building is internally diverse with so many departments, well maintained, and yeah, everyone's very nice over here. The professors are very
All
nice.
right. All right. Could you share the experience of lecture and professor?
Lecture, honestly, it's so systematic over here. Is that the professors they upload the notes beforehand, so you get time to go through about or you get the glimpse of what is about to be taught, and they're very systematic. They keep asking you whether you understand or not, and also additionally they keep like tutorial classes, which is like basically like tuitions. You solve questions manually. If you have doubts, you can ask them personally, and they're very available. Like if you send them an email, you get like spontaneous replies, and yeah, they're down to earth. Everyone's down to earth, quite friendly.
You mean you are receiving your uh, questions answered instantly from the.
Instant. If I
All
send
right.
any email regarding my timetable or regarding assignment, I get it like within a couple of hours. I get the response.
All
It's
right.
very
All right.
impressive.
Very impressive. All right. Last word to our future students
Yeah.
who are interested to study in Malaysia with UCSI. What your
I
suggestion to?
highly suggest it because considering all the notable alumni and then all the groundbreaking researches and all the achievement of the university, I highly recommend it. It's reasonable and everything over here is well suited. Honestly, coming from Bangladesh and growing up in Kuwait, it didn't actually it wasn't quite challenging for me. I could easily adjust to the environment.
All
I
right.
could adjust with the students. So I highly
Everything.
suggest it. Yeah, highly.
And thank you very much for your
Thank you.
time. All right. Bye bye.